Okay, you guys, this is my first video. This is a new game that my husband got for me called a post-apocalyptic zombie survival game, Zombie Road Trip. So this is my unboxing of the video, of the game. So open it up. Okay, so here we have some game pieces. Lab X. Oh, these are the cure things that you have to find. The instructions, the rule book. These are more ammos, tokens. This is the game board. Cool. We've got some decks of cards. We got a 50-50 and survival cards. The game pieces, dice, a package of dice, red and whites. And then each player gets a scorecard. And then we have our people. Cool. No women. Oh. Sexist. It's a sexist game. Just kidding. Okay. We've unboxed popped out all the ammo tokens and the people. And oh wait, there's girls on the other side. Aha! Okay, I take back my sexist comment. All right. Okay, so all the tokens, all the toll passes, they're all popped out. I put the cure tokens on the board. And so far I like the way everything is made. It's just cardboard, but they're nicely coated and they're pretty thick. And they feel nice. So far so good. These are really thick, these scorecard things. So it looks like it's gonna last. Looks like it's going to hold up to a lot of wear and tear.
Hey!
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I get to go again, right?
That's right, you've got doubles.
House rules.
Oh, another one.
Doubles, you get a second turn.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
50-50.
Lose a survival card of your choice. I'm going to do trade in a toll pass for 5 tokens.
Why would you ever trade in a toll pass?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to go again.
You got doubles.
Yep, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I pay this.
And you played your toll pass.
And I pay these 2. But that's okay, because I'm going to use steal 2 ammo from the person seated to your left.
So you got your ammo back.